Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, we are going to talk about keratin treatment. We'll talk everything about keratin basically. What is keratin, why keratin, what is the cost, why should you choose, what was my experience and the process. So without any further delay, let's begin. So basically, what is keratin? Keratin is actually a protein that your hair requires. No, it's a essential protein that helps the hair to create its form. Like there are layers of cuticles that forms your hair, and keratin helps to smoothen down that cuticles, and that's how you get very straight looking, less frizzy hair. So those who are struggling with frizziness mainly and hair fall, and where the shine is kind of gone, the hair looks very dull, rough. Even if you try like thousands of home remedies, then also you are not getting desired result, then it is recommended that you should go for keratin treatment. So my problem with my hair was that it was curly in general. Okay, I have very curly hair, and the hair is, no matter what I try, it is very frizzy. uh, I did not have hair fall problem to that extent. I mean, hair fall was there for sure, but it was not out of control. I was contemplating, should I choose any, ultimately keratin is also a chemical based treatment, so it definitely will have some downfall as well. So I was contemplating a lot, should I go for it, should I not. Then I reached out to my friends who have done the keratin treatment. I talked to them, I did a lots of research, and then finally I decided I should try it at least for once, just to have that experience. So that's how I decided ki, okay, let's go for it. So it's been 7 days that I have done keratin on my hair, and I have researched about what all, salon I should go for, because in different salon you get different types of treatment. Yes, even though keratin treatment is a general, hair treatment, but it depends a lot in which salon you are actually getting your keratin treatment done. So after lots of recommendation, I went to Green Trend Salon. I read a lot about it, and it has really good review. One of my friend actually recommended this. So that's how. So initially, as by my experience, when I reached out to them, I took an appointment, and when I reached to the salon, they first checked what is my hair health, in general. So I always wanted a straight looking hair, so they suggested keratin smoothing will be good for my hair. And then they checked the length, because the pricing depends on the length. It is a bit expensive, process. So as I had lengthy hair, so obviously I fall into the category of lengthy hair, and it costed me, the process itself costed me 7,500. And after that they have given me specific shampoo and conditioner, so that is also very expensive. So in total it costed me 10,500. So yeah, so that's about the costing part. And so yes, now I'll show you the entire process, step by step process. I tried to vlog as much as possible.
So first, to open the cuticle of the hair, they applied a particular shampoo and then let it rest for 10 minutes, and then after washing they again applied the same shampoo and let it rest for another 10 minutes, and then they washed it. So post 20 minutes, that's how my hair looks, as all the cuticles are open, so it looks extremely frizzy, as you can see. Next part was blow dry, but the aim was to keep the hair damp but not wet. And then the main part, to apply the keratin solution. So first they parted my hair into two halves, and two stylists were working on each side. They were literally taking strands of 10 to 15 hairs, and then on the small strands they were applying the solution and massaging it for at least 10 to 15 seconds on each strands. And that's how they covered my entire hair, and this application process itself took around 30 to 45 minutes. Post application, they wrapped the hair with a shower cap and they let it rest for 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes it's time for the next blow dry. Now as informed by the stylist that this blow dry or this heating process is needed so that the hair get so that the hair can absorb all the keratin solution really well. After a continuous blow dry of 10 to 15 minutes, they again parted my hair, and by taking small strands, they started using flat iron. And this again using this flat iron was extremely important so that the hair get its chance to absorb the solution, and also this process only makes the hair look straight. As I had long and voluminous hair, so this process also took around 30 minutes. After everything, that's how my hair looks. This is the final result at the end of the process. This was a continuous process of 5 to almost 5.5 hours. I was exhausted, but I was happy with the result. So yeah, that's how my hair looks.
So here I'm going to give you a few tips that you need to keep in mind if you are considering keratin treatment. So first of all, once you are done with keratin, for the first 3 days you cannot tie your hair, and secondly you cannot wash your hair, and the old hair care regime that we generally follow, oiling, shampoo, that we cannot do, because after you done your keratin, to maintain the keratin you need to follow a certain regime. Shampoo that you are going to use, that must be sulfate free. Though it was not necessary, but I still bought shampoo and conditioner given by them. So this is the shampoo that this is the shampoo that I am using. This is GK balancing shampoo with Jovaxin. It is supposed to be good for the, maintaining the keratin, and also along with that the GK conditioner. So these two are also like on the pricier side. Each of these bottle costed me 1800. So I used to use the hair straightener, hair curler a lot. Earlier I used to do that lot, but now as you can see, this is the close up of my hair. This is how my hair looks. For the past 7 days since I have done keratin, I have not done anything, and I simply brushed my hair, and it is looking, it is looking bouncy and healthy, and it is like manageable, very very manageable. And so yeah, I think in that way the damage that used to get caused by those heating tools, that is kind of reduced. And hair fall is supposed to be less after you do your keratin treatment. As of now I have not noticed any significant difference, but hair fall is not much also. So that is one thing. And it is supposed to last for around 6 months. If you maintain it properly, it will last for 6 months. So the next question is, will I consider again keratin treatment? So basically that depends how long it lasts. Though they have told it will last for 6 months or even more, if I maintain it, I'll try to maintain all the steps they have given. But if it actually lasts, then I might consider again, because as of now I am loving it. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed watching it. Still, I tried to cover as much as I remember, or as much as possible. Still, if you have any question regarding keratin smoothing, if you are like me, if you are also having confusions, and if you are also contemplating if you should go for it or not, then you can definitely leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll try to answer. So that's it for today's video. And please subscribe to my channel, and we'll come up with a new video super soon. Thank you. Bye bye.